A severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued for the cell, and it includes Marathon. As you can see, I'm on the southeast extremity of that. See if we have some O'Hare info. See what it says here. Loading. $60-mile-an-hour winds, half-dollar size hail. Radar indicated minimal, severe winds, and near minimal hail. Maybe a little bit larger than minimal. So that's where we are right now. Some other northern cells, but yeah, they don't have the heat energy associated with this other one. So there you go. Yeah, maybe I'll try to get close to that hail core without getting any damage to my vehicle.